Hey everyone, so we're doing a bit of work on Miss My Phone's bike. We got this winch installed when we first bought it. It was just a cheap one from Canadian Tire, $100 Canadian, all taxes and everything in. It lasted a full 2.5 years roughly. And I used it for plowing, everything else. It was great, but it's no longer working, so we pulled it out. And from Canadian Tire, I picked up a Champion winch that was on sale. This one ended up only being $130 and everything all in, which I'm not going to complain about. And it's got a 2-year warranty, so I guess it won't matter if it breaks at 2.5. But if I had gone Warren, I'm still nowhere near the Warren price, but obviously Warrens don't seem to wear out as quickly. So the other thing we are doing is we are installing a light bar for Miss My Phone, because a couple runs ago we were getting back pretty late and her tire caught a branch and it actually swung up, hit her in the face and, well, her helmet, and smashed into her jaw and actually knocked her out.
She didn't see it coming.
She didn't see it coming, so we're giving her better lights, because these headlights are garbage at night. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'll try to remember to get some footage if I can. I already dropped that off, took out the old winch. I'm undoing all the wires right now. This guy knows thing. He's got the light bar set up, and I'm gonna let him do the wiring and just do what I'm told, because I don't want to mess it up. And then hopefully we'll get out for a little bit of a, even if it's just a small run, we'll get out for a small run today. And on that note, one thing I do want to say is we are getting into the late fall season and winter. So there's going to be a lot less content than what we've been creating. I'm probably going to steal, oh shoot, what's his channel's name? Arctic. I will put a link in the description. But he follows us, he's engaged with our channel, it's awesome. And he does like a lot of plowing, so I might record my plowing this year just to keep some content going on the channel. Just rip him off a little bit. Hopefully he doesn't mind. And yeah, we're trying to think of what we could do this winter for content, but we're not quite sure just yet. Just push it away. And we double sleeve them, so if it wears through, extra protection.
And for anyone doing a Kawasaki Brute Force 750, the black with the yellow stripe is your ground, and we'll call this purple-ish, with the black stripe is your high beam. So your light bar is connected to your high beam.
So much better.
Tied into the high beam switch to make it easy to turn them on and off.
Welcome to the Oak Hill crew. We got some work done on Miss My Phone's bike. She's not here. We're gonna do a little fun run. We got this guy's knows things with Speeder rolling with him, Captain Bagel, and of course I am the real rookie. It'll be very slow going because we're just gonna go putter around, but we'll have lots of fun as always. Crazy. It's October 28th and it is currently 24 degrees Celsius. It is super nice out, and we're just going up through the woods here, nice and easy, to look for the boss and Chief who are up here doing tipping. And tipping is getting stuff to take the people to make wreaths because the holiday season's coming. And here we go, we found them. It's the boss. And it's Jeep.
Hey, sweetie.
We're calling her Speeder.
Calling her what?
Speeder.
Speeder?
Her helmet fell.
He must have a big tree. He doesn't know how to. Actually.
we found two-wheel drive. We'll be back here later for a party. First off, I gotta say thank you so much to This Guy Knows Things for helping me to get the light bar installed, the winch installed, everything works and is running great, which is awesome. We get out with his kids to just, go on a very small fun run to my niece and nephew. We had an absolute blast. We went and saw two-wheel driver, who's also their uncle. And yeah, it was, pretty slow going because obviously they are very young. We aren't going to do anything crazy until they are much older and can appreciate it and all that kind of stuff. So if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will keep doing what we can.